So I found this, and now I'm trying to. Oh, I hit the flag. Yeah, to go to see some views. I'll catch you on the lift. I wonder what's going to be on the top because I didn't even check the pictures. Check the pictures or anything like that. I just seen this and I was like, yeah, book me in. It was 23 euros. Apparently there is 2 lifts to the top. I don't know what the top means in this case. So we will see. I think I'm coming to the halfway station. I don't know where it goes. I don't know where it goes. The other one. I don't see it yet. Let's not forget anything. Okay. There it is. I probably could ride here, but teleferico is also fun. And there it is. Second lift. Going to unknown. Because I couldn't be bothered to check. Wow, what a place. Look at the size of this mountain. Oh shit. Whew. So I'm back to the campsite. I think it was a really nice day. Tomorrow I'm leaving to Slovenia, but before that I think I'm gonna go to the bar, sorry, and grab a couple of beers because it's very warm and I walk a lot today. I think I deserve one or two. So thank you for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.